Guys, today we're going to review the Paraframe mini folding knife from Gerber right here. Stay tuned. Here it is, guys, the Gerber Parafold mini from BCF. It cost me $27. First initial thoughts are it is quite a sturdy little knife, so when you've unfolded it, there's no play in the blade. It's fairly tight. If you have a look in there, I don't know if you can see that well, there's like little nylon washers in there holding everything tight into place. Does quite a good job. Has a belt clip, also a little the safety clip there which holds the blade into place. The blade is a partially serrated knife, what they call a clip point blade. Also a little nail nook there to help you open the blade up with a little bit of ease. It is a little bit stiff, and it is quite difficult to get it to fold away, but there it is. So you slip it in your pocket or whatever. Just be mindful of your local laws as to what you're allowed to carry. So yeah, my first impression of this blade, doesn't appear to be very sharp. I don't think it'll pass the paper test. Probably it'd be a little difficult to sharpen, considering that, you know, the tip of the blade is actually quite thick compared to the rest of the blade. So it opens up, like the blade width opens up really quick. The metal doesn't appear to be anything too expensive or too fancy. There's not really a great quality there, but you know, it'd be good to stash away in the bottom of your fishing bag, cut your fishing line and some rope, and you know, little basic little things like that, and maybe even use it for you know, a steak knife. Apart from that, yeah, that's not much more else to it. Thanks for watching.